Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today, quick little update video. You might be asking, where's all the ride videos? And I just want to give you some feedback about it. So I usually ride my Kingsong S22 and I haven't been riding it for quite some time. The reason is I've sent the wheel off to get a service. The wheel is with Personal Electric Transport. The guys gave me a good quote to get the wheel stripped down, get everything sorted out, and just overall checked and make sure that it's fine. And then what they picked up is that the rollers on the sides, because I upgraded from the sliders to the rollers, and that's actually my second set of rollers in there, but it looks like the second set is also busted. All the rubber came off the bearings, so they've ordered me a new slider set. First set came in, there was a wrong fit, and so they had to order another set. So that's sort of the reason why there's a bit of a delay in getting my wheel back. I've been like really itching to actually get back on the wheel. You might ask the reason why I'm getting the wheel serviced, because I can do it myself. Yes, I can do it myself. I just thought to myself it would be a good idea to make a pop in by the guys from Personal Electric Transport to say hi, how's it going, and all that lovely stuff, and see what they've got in stock. And also to drop my wheel off, because it's fairly hefty to post the wheel there and then get it shipped back. It's close to 80 £. So and there's the benefit of driving an electric car. It costs me nothing to actually do the journey. It's just time, because it's like a 4-hour round trip for me, just over 4 hours. But yeah, so I was speaking to the guys and they were saying that because, as you all know, I'm keen to look at selling my Kingsong S22. So when the wheel is now fixed, well, not fixed, but serviced, and everything is good, I'm going to do a bit of riding on it just to make sure that it's solid, and then I want to get rid of the wheel. So my Kingsong S22 will be up for sale, and I'll let you guys know when I get it back eventually. I also have my InMotion E20 that's probably got about 15 miles on. The wheel is like brand new. I bought it for my daughter. She wasn't really interested in riding it. She found it more difficult to ride than the M10-4. The M10-4 I've also sold, and so I want to get rid of my InMotion E20. The E20 is also at Personal Electric Transport, so if anyone is keen to buy it, please let me know, and I can get the guys to ship it from their site to your place. Also, the price is negotiable, so I think it is listed for £320 at Ride and Glide. So I'll link the Ride and Glide's website description down below. If anyone is interested in a family-friendly learner wheel, there's the InMotion E20. This thing is brand new. I think it's got just dust on the tires, and I think it's been charged once. So very nice wheel, solid, no real marks on it, but a perfect wheel if you want to get learning with a double wheel, so you got more stability. I've been riding my one wheel a little bit when it's dry, but the thing is, for me, riding the one wheel, it's I need to go to a place where I can ride it. I can't just ride here next to the road. The pavements are so full of potholes and stuff. And where an EUC, the single thinner wheel, is much easier to just cruise through the potholes compared to the one wheel. It's a little bit more like an off-road trail rather than a sidewalk trail. But yeah, I've been riding the one wheel Pint S. Really love this little wheel for the price. It's such a great ride and whatever. And you guys have been seeing I've been riding motorbikes, because I ride every day to work and back with my motorbike. There's going to be some more motorbike videos as well if anyone is interested in it. But yeah, I want to get back. I want to get my EUCs back, and then I want to sell the EUCs so I want to get myself a NOSFET Aero, the smaller wheel, for a trail wheel, or I want to get myself a what is it, a veteran pattern S. That's sort of the one, veteran, the pattern S. So so if you guys have got any comments about those two wheels, please drop it in the comments below. I would like to get your feedback on it. I think for my type of riding, the pattern would be a nice in-between wheel. I don't need a massive wheel. I need about a solid 30, 40 miles. And it's just something that is more playable, playful in the trails, gravel trails and so forth. And then comfort. Where my S22 is just the right size, the right weight and so forth. I did test drive the Falcon. The Falcon was for me a little bit clunky. There's a video on my channel somewhere where I do a review of the Falcon there in South Africa. Very nice wheel, but it was for me, the suspension was very clunky. And I think the NOSFET Aero is a little bit more polished, as I may say. But again, if you guys got feedback about it, please drop it in the comments below. If anyone is interested in the Kingsong S22 or the InMotion E20, please also drop it in the comments below, or catch me on Instagram. There's also in YouTube you can see my email address, so if you're interested in it, I can put you in contact when the wheel is done, to put you in contact with Person Electric Transport and see if we can get it shipped straight from them to you guys. So that's the Kingsong S22. This is batch 1. It had the stator pinned and all that lovely stuff. The wheel has been rock solid for me. The suspension has been perfect. And then the E20 for a starter wheel. So that's why I haven't been riding, because my wheels are in the shop and I would really like to get back into it. I see also, I'll do a little separate video, I see Function protective gear, the guys that I bought my wrist guards from, they've brought out new wrist guards. I assume it's only in the US. I'll make a little separate video about that. It might be an option if someone is interested in top and bottom wrist guards. So look out for that. They're the guys that is sort of part of the one wheel team. So check them out as well. Function wrist protection. I think I've got the full senders, something in that line. Again, I'll put it in the comments below. But yeah, guys, just a quick little update video of what I've been doing and why there hasn't been any ride videos. It is sort of getting to a stage, like I was saying over the weekend, the weather was good. I just want to get on my wheel. I actually don't want to ride my motorbike. I just want to go and ride my wheel. But yeah, I have to wait because I want to get rid of the wheels and then I want to buy a new wheel so I can bring you some more ride videos. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching, and if you did like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. I do everything: electric bikes, motorcycles, one wheels, EUCs, whatever has got a wheel. Freaking love it, man. I freaking love it. Okay, see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Cheers.